Hello, everybody. So I am going to show you how to do a Wufoo form. So let me make this bigger. Okay, so I've already logged in. What you're going to have to do is you're just going to have to set up your own account, and it'll tell you pricing and everything. I think I've got the lowest one, and I've made several forms from this, and I keep it really simple. So right now, when you go in, it'll say just it'll have a plus sign. Let me see if I can go back here real fast. Okay, so like these are my forms right here. But when you first start out, it'll just say create a new form. And so I just click on this. And so now I'm going to create my form. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple. And you guys are going to have my form you're going to see my form too. And that way you will be able to, you can just basically take what I've done and just make it your own. So first we're going to do the untitled form. So we're going to make a title for it. So let's say, let's just say nutritional form, okay? I probably should capitalize that. Okay, so nutritional form. And then you can also keep, this part, or you can change it. It's really up to you. So description, you can keep it, or you can go, maybe. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so fields. So let's start out with, I'll show you. Okay, so most of the time, what do you start out with? I'll start out with a single line text, and it's going to be, so you click on it right here, and then you go over here. So we're going to put name, right? We want to know the person's name. Okay. And then, okay, that's the first one. What are we going to do next? Oh, sorry. And you just hit return. And honestly, I just keep it like how it shows. It's really up to you what you want to do, but I just keep the field size medium. And you could capitalize this, but once again, I'm just going to go through it. Okay, I'm going to add another one in, but I'm going to change the name. So we're going to do, let's say okay. I mean, that's just something you could ask, okay? Maybe the next one would be, I'm changing it, obviously. Are you wanting to lose or gain weight? Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to skip down. So these are, once again, oh yeah, that was spelled wrong. See, it's letting me know I spelled that wrong. Okay, so far so good. So I've got this. Now let's see, what else can I do? Let's see here real fast. Let's add a field. So this is where you can change it over, okay? So let's add, what can we add? Let's do, I think multiple choice. Yeah, here we go. This one's fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do multiple choice. So once again, I'm clicking on this. Here's gonna be the question. Okay, so let's do this one. Oh, I'm not the best typer, sorry. Question mark. Okay. And then I'm going to do also, I'm going to put on here, I'm going to change this. Return. Okay, so right here, first choice is going to be 1 to 3. Second choice will be 3 to 5. And third choice will be 6 or more. Okay, cool. Okay, so we got that done. Now, let's do a paragraph for the heck of it. So let's add a field. Let's do paragraph text, okay? And it's gonna be, oh, here it is. We're gonna go over here. And let's do, oh, this is perfect. What do you eat daily? And then you can put, include everything. And then I always like to put if not, journal. Okay, so there you go. And so now you have that. And then I always, definitely the most important, like the ending is you want to make sure that you add in, I'm going to go down here. Email address. Okay, now I'm going to add another. I just do this really quickly and then I just change this part. Click on that and change email address to cell number. Okay, and then you just save the form. It's saving. And awesome, you saved your form. It just shows all of this. You know, I'm finished. And now it's up here. Do you see I have this right here? And so if you want to share it, it's super easy. You just go to share right here. And I like to do the copy link. Embedded is for like your blog. It could be maybe on Facebook, but I copy link, and this is where you put it. I put it on my Instagram, on links, and in my stories, and on Facebook. It just goes on and on. So it's pretty awesome. So when someone clicks on the link, it goes right to that. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Any more questions, just let me know, but that's it.